Hello children, how are you? Now second class mathematics. Sixth chapter, what is our sixth chapter name? Addition of numbers. Addition of numbers. Say addition spelling ADDITION. Addition. OF NUMBERS. Numbers. Addition of numbers with 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 regrouping and carry over. You know children, in previous class too we already explaining the carrying problems. Yes children, you remember all of you? So let us know page number 61. Take your textbook children, all of you. Take your textbook and notebook. See page number 61, third bit. Add the following numbers in that bit to F question. Third bit. And the following. In this bit to F question, see children, F1 17 plus 73. 17 plus 73. So when we are adding, so first of all what we check? So first of all read that numbers. What is this numbers children? In 7 in 1's place, 1 in 10's place. So the number is 17. This one 3 in 1's place, 7 in 10's place. 73. 17 plus 73. What is this symbol? Addition symbol. So plus 17 plus 73. See here first of all whenever doing the addition, which place value first of all do the addition? 1's place numbers. So first of all we are taking the 1's place number. They are doing the addition. 1's place number to do addition. Yes, 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 how much? We will draw the lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 2, 3. 7 plus 3. How much children? Let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So 10 means here, observe children here, 0 in 1's place, 1 in 10's place. So here 1 is carry. Where to write this one? So again having 10's place numbers? Yes, they are having 10's place number. So this 10's place number too, they are writing the carry. So what is the answer? 0 in 1's place. So 1 in 10's place. Carry over. Okay. See next, let us start the next addition. So 1's place already will be completed. Next, which place value we will taking now? 10's place numbers. 10's place numbers will take and add it. Carry also added children. They are having carry? Yes. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9. So the number is 0 in 1's, 9 10's means how much? What is this number? 90. So listen children. 17 plus 73 equals to 90. Are you understand? So next one, G question. 56 plus 14. 56 plus 14. Here also do same like that only. 56. 6 in 1, 5 in 10. So the number is 56. 4 in 1, 1 in 10. 14. 56 plus 14. So which one is 1's place number? This one only 1's place number? No. 6 and 4. Yes children, 6 plus 4 do. Some members are doing the addition. 6 will take in here, 1 will take in. Don't do like that children. First of all check it. 1's place number what having. Then n's place number. And carry also is there means carry also added. Okay. 6 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let us count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Here also we get 10. So 0 in 1's place. 1 is carried. Are you understand, children? One is carry in tens place numbers. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 5 how much is that? 7. 7 tens, 0 ones. So the number is 70. 56 plus 14 equals to 70. Okay, are you understand, children? Next one. Here mistake only question number E, F, G, G only given. E, F, G after which letter? H only. So H question. 49 plus, you correct it, children. Then H1. 49 plus 26. 49 plus 26. See here. 49 plus 26. 6, 9. Ones place number only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So easy method I am explaining, children. Ones place number, first of all, we write the ones place number in lines. How many, which number having, that many lines will draw in here. Here also say. So next tens place, which number is there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2. Let us first draw the lines. Afterwards you count it. Easy way only. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here 15 only. 15 means 5 in ones place. 1 is carry. 1 is carry. So then tens place number you check it, children. Tens place number 4 and 2. So here carry also came only. Yes. Let us count carry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carry also count here. 5, 6, 7. So the number is 75. 49 plus 26 equals to 75. Write in your notebook, children. So next one. Solve the problem orally. There are having problems, children. So write all of you. So next one. Fourth bit. Fourth one. Solve the What is the total number of? What is the total number of trees in that garden? Trees in that garden. So here what was given, children? Goa tree 68, street line trees 24. So here write the answer, children. Solution. Here already given in the textbook, but I am explaining again only. See here. Goa trees. 68. Sweet lime trees. Sweet lime trees. How many sweet lime trees, children? See, Goa tree 68, sweet lime trees 24. 24 here, right? So then total trees how many? Total trees. See children, before only saying I am. So total trees will add this problem. See here. Ones place number you check it children and say. So ones place number what having 8 plus 4. So 8 plus 4. When these two numbers, which number is big? That number keep in your mind. Next number add it. Okay, before classes 2 I am explaining, saying children. Which number is big? That number to keep in your mind. So next number 2, then add it. So 8 plus 4. 8 keep in your mind, add 4. 9. 8 after number 9. First of all 4 on 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 means 2 in 1's place, 1 is carry. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2. 7 keep in your mind, then add 2. 8, 9. 92. Are you understand children? Okay, let us write now. Write all of you. Write neatly. Okay, next one children. So next one. Are you understand this? So do write the addition symbol compulsory, mention it children. So next one. Next question. In a cricket match, Lakshman made 47 runs and Dravid made 26 runs. How many runs did they make together? Your number not mentioned. In a cricket match. Lakshman made 47 runs. Lakshman made how many runs? Lakshman made 47 runs. 47 runs. And Dravid. This one also. Dravid made 26 runs. Dravid made 26 runs. Lakshman made 47 runs. Dravid made 26 runs. How many runs did? How many runs did they make? They make together. So here Lakshman runs given and Dravid runs also given. So how many runs are in total? So then counting. Runs Lakshman made. Runs Lakshman made. So here means write capital letter only, first letter. 47 runs. And next Dravid runs. Dravid made. Dravid made how many? 26. 26 runs. So So total they both made. They both made. So how many runs they both made? They are doing the addition there. So here 47, 26. Ones place number here 7 and 6. 7 plus 6. In these numbers too, which one is big, children? 7 is big number. So 7, keep in your mind. Add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add 6. So which should like you adding? 7 after number. 7 keep in your mind only. 7 after number 8. So 8 to count it. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7 plus 6 how much, children? 13. So 13 means 3 in ones place number in ones place to write. Then tens place number carry in tens place. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 keep in your mind. Add 2. 5 after 6, 7. 73. Are you understand, children? Complete it all of you right now. So in next topic, in next class I will explain, children. So let's write now. Write in your notebook neatly, children. So in next bit, in next class I will explain.